In this session, we are going to see about prime and composite numbers. Okay, so first let us find out what prime numbers are. A number that has only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called as prime numbers. So now let us take an example 2. Okay, so let us list out the factors for 2. What are factors? Factors are nothing but that divides the number and gives a 0 as the remainder. So first let us take 1. So 1 divides 2 2 times, it gives a remainder as 0. So 1 is a factor. Then 2 is the number. Again 2 is divided by 2 1 times, it gives a remainder 0. So the factors for the number 2 is 1 and 2. Here 2 is nothing but the given number itself, right? So that is why I called 2 as a prime number. Let me take another example, 3. Okay, let us list the factors for 3. For any number, 1 will always be a factor. Okay, now let us find out if there are any other factors other than 3. Okay, because for any given number 1 and the given number itself will be a factor, that is default. Okay, so we will take 3. Now I will try to divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2, it gives me a remainder 1. So 2 is not a factor for 3, therefore 3 also has only 2 factors, 1 and 3. Therefore 3 is also a prime number. Now let us take the number 4 and we will list out the factors. Remember, every number has already 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. We need to find out if there are any other factors other than this. So we will take the number 4, we will use 2 and divide it. So 2 2s are 4, it gives a remainder 0, which means 2 is also a factor for number 4. Now let us check out with 3. So if you divide 4 by 3, you get 3 ones are 3, you get a remainder 1. So 3 is not a factor of 4. However, this time you have 3 factors for 4. 1, the number 4 itself, but other than that you have a number 2. Therefore, 4 is not prime number. Okay, so a number which is not prime is called as a composite number. Okay, let us try to do all these things. Let us try to find out all the prime and composite numbers between 2 and 10. So we have already done it for 2, 3 and 4. Now let us take the number 5. 5 will have factors 1 and 5. Let's find out if it has any more. Okay, so let's find out if 5 is divisible by 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in 2 tables, will 5 come? No, right? So 2 is not a factor of 5. Now in 3 tables also, you will not have 5. Okay, so in 4 tables also, you will not get the number 5. So you only have 2 factors, 1 and 5. So 5 is also a prime number. Okay, now let us take the number 6. Okay, and see if 6 is a prime number or not. Remember, it already has 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. So now we need to find out if it has more factors. So we'll start from 2. So 2 3s are 6. It gives a 0. So 2 is a factor. Similarly, 3 2s are 6. So 3 also becomes a factor. Now look at the number of factors for 6. It has 1, 6, 2 and 3. So this has more than 2 factors. So this is also not a prime number. Now let us take the number 7. The number has 1 and 7 as its factors. Let's find out if it has any more. Okay, 7 will definitely not come. 7 will definitely not come in the, 7 will not come in 2 table, nor 3, 4 or 5 tables. So I think I pressed the scroll button. So I'm sorry about it. Let's erase this. Okay. So we are checking about 7 tables. So 7 does not come in 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table, 6 table. So there are no other factors other than 1 and 7. So 7 is also a prime number. Now let us list the factors for 8. 1, 8. Let's find out if there are more than 1 and 8. Sorry. Okay. So we'll take from 2, divide 8 by 2. So it gives me 4. So 4 2s are 8, 0. Okay. So 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor. It obviously has more than 2 factors, so I don't even need to check if there are any more factors. This is not a prime number anymore. Now the last thing that last but one is number 9. So 1 and 9 are its factors. Let's see if it has more. So we start with 2. In 2 tables you don't get 9. So we will do for 3. Here we go. So 3 3s are 9. So 3 is a factor, which means 9 is also not a prime number. Let's do it for 10. It has 1 and 10 and factors. Now other factors include, in 2 table it will come, right? 2 5s are 10. So you have 2 more factors, 2 and 5. So 10 is also not a prime number. So between 2 and 10, you have 2, 3, 5, 7. I'll change the color of the pen so you can see it easily. You will find 2, 3, 5. Sorry, I keep pressing the scroll by mistake. So 2, 3, 5, 7 as prime numbers, right? So 2, 3, 5 and 7 are prime numbers, and 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10 are considered composite numbers. Please note, the number 1 is considered neither prime and nor composite. Okay, with this I'll come to the end of this session. In the next session, we will see the need for divisibility or rules for numbers. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.